Namaste. Welcome to day 19 of our 30-day Carnatic revision challenge based on Sangeeta Balapadam book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 6, Varaveena. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahityam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras of all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sa re ga pa dha sa sa dha pa ga re sa sa re ga pa dha sa sa dha pa ga re sa Varaveena Mritupani Vanaruhalojanarani Surujira Veni Suranuta Kalyani Nirupama Shubha Gunalola Nirata Jaya Pratashila Varada Priya Ranganayaki Vanchita Phaladayaki Sarasi Jazana Janani Jaya 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 Varaveena Mritupani Varaveena Mritupani Vanaruhalojanarani Surujira Varaveeni Suranuta Kalyani Nirupama Subha Gunalola Nirata Jaya Pratashila Varada Priya Ranganayaki Vanchita Phaladayaki Sajasi Jazana Janani Jaya 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 Varaveena Mritupani. That completes day 19, Geetham 6. Tomorrow we'll move to day 20, Geetham 7. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.